Hi, this is Scott Pop for Mobility Minute. Did you know that one of the most important spinal stabilizers is in your neck? The act of retraction, rotation, and neck flexion are extremely important. Underestimated, they help you have good alignment and they help stabilize your entire spine. An underappreciated muscle in neck flexion and rotation is the sternocleidomastoid, which comes down along here, and it is the common source of migraine or tension headaches that refer up into your forehead. So if this muscle is strained and has trigger points, you'll get a headache here, you'll get neck and upper occipital pain back here, and it's related to a constant strain. If your chest, it drops down like this muscle is under strain, these joints are under compression. So we want to be able to strengthen this muscle. It also is responsible for giving you a natural facelift, because if this muscle is strong, it's going to lift up your forehead and your cheekbone on that same side. So this muscle coming down and through here actually is what gives you the natural lift to your face. So to strengthen this muscle, there are several ways to do it, which I'll describe right here. But first off, you need to learn to live in your body with your chin retracted, expanding vertical. That's number one, even before strengthening it. So just orientate your body with better posture. Now here are some exercises. The first one, and the easiest exercise to do, is to simply lay on your back, turn your head to one side like this, and lift up to the side, just like this. Keeping your head as far, it's just a lateral flexion. And you want to do this on both sides, just lateral flexion. Oftentimes, you'll find even 5 reps are difficult. You can work the deep neck flexors by just tucking your chin and rolling your chin towards your sternum. And come back. Tuck your chin, roll it towards your sternum. You do not want to do this. That is wrong, okay? So it's very important to tuck your chin and lift up. That one gets more of the deep neck flexors. Another more difficult exercise is to have your head off the edge of your bed, tucking your chin, keeping it tucked, and rotate from side to side 8 times like this, keeping your chin tucked. That is very difficult to do. Another exercise you can do is let your head go all the way back and tuck your chin. Let it go all the way back and tuck your chin. You can turn your head to the side and let it go further back and tuck your chin. Let it go further back and tuck your chin. Obviously, do both sides. Wonderful exercises, but much more difficult. The last exercise is using what's called a neck flex. You can buy these on my website. It is a harness that goes over your head, and you can work with rotation and retraction and lateral flexion in different ways. It basically is a harness here. I won't show you on this video, but you put this in a doorway and you work with these bands, and you can really get some good strengthening and rotation and turn it around and neck flexion with this. It is a great tool for strengthening for sport, where you have to develop a lot, like wrestling or jiu-jitsu, or things that require a lot of neck strength. But it also works good for patients, and I've had patients buy these and use these also. So start with wherever you're at. If you have very weak neck, start just laying on your back and tuck your chin and turn it and lift it up like I showed you. Then if it's more advanced, lay your head off of the edge and tuck your chin and work with rotation. If you want to go even more than that, let your head go way back, tip it up. And if you want to get a piece of exercise equipment, this neck flex works really, really well. These are all important for bringing up our posture into this super stable position. It's where, just like your wrist is stable here, but it's not stable in certain open pack positions. This is a closed pack position of your neck where your forces are going to be able to resist those small perturbations that we have through injuries and accidents where your neck might be compromised, like a car accident per se, or stepping off a curb and getting that whipping action where so many people hurt themselves. So also remember, it's also a good way to give yourself a natural facelift as you're older and your face starts to droop. You want that retraction so that it pulls up and back and around here, especially from your front of your chest, so that it gives you that natural lift. So this is Scott Pop for Mobility Minute. I hope this helped you understand the importance of neck flexion. Thanks for watching.